and what a beautiful morning it is. Welcome back to Snowfog Outdoors, and today's video is a VR for my good friend and my brother, Alan HOYT, aka BudgetBushcrafter. He's having a 200 sub giveaway. Congrats, my friend, on the subs. Brain fart. Please go over and check out his channel. Everything is pretty much DIY and bushcraft on a budget. I have learned a ton from Alan, and I know you will too. So for this VR, he wanted us to make a boat. He does some maritime work, and the boat, I guess you could hollow a log out and get in the boat and travel down the river if you wanted to, but I'm not so sure I wanted to do that. So, without further ado, let's get on with this video of boat making, and get over and check out Alan's channel. Give him a thumbs up and a sub, and thanks, my brother, for this chance to enter your giveaway, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm going to find the materials for my boat, Alan. Oh, I thought I found something here. Where did it go? One of these. Trying to find one that's intact that I can use. How about this one? Yeah. Let's see. I thought I saw a nice big one. Oh, here's one. Look at the size of that. I think I'll use that one. Say hi, Tommy. Okay. Now, let's see. This. Now, I told you to get your own YouTube channel, didn't I? And I'll use this. Okay. I need one more piece for my boat. And I do believe I found them. For a certain kind. Okay, that ought to do it. Let me see what's up here. Might grab another just in case. Ooh. I like this one right here. Ooh, they got prickies on them. Okay. Ow, ow. All right, now we're going to put this bad boy together. All right, now to get this boat together. Went out and collected my pine cone. I got some sticks, a couple leaves. Now, what I got to try to do is put this thing together so it floats somewhat. All right, what I have here is some pine resin. I'm trying to find a... there we go. Okay, now, what I want to do with this is just get it warm enough to get it soft. So that's what we're going to do here, without getting it on fire too much. All right. Yeah, I could do pine pitch glue, but I really don't want to go that route and take all that time to do it. So I've just put a little on that stick, and I'm going to hold it right there on that leaf. I better melt a little bit more. Otherwise it ain't going to stick. There we go. I'm just going to hold it on there. Okay. Whoops, sorry. All right, now we have that. Now what I want to try and do is, I think I'm just going to stick this leaf right there like that. That should hold just long enough for its maiden voyage. All right, now a little bit more sappy sap here. Yeah, it burns so nice. Oh, when it smells so good. You can get the sap right on the tip of that stick. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. All right, let me get this leaf glued on there with the pine sap. Hang on just a minute. Boy, that smells so good. I just need you to stick for a few minutes. All right, there's my boat, Alan. Now we're going to take her down to the pond and break a bottle of champagne on her and set her afloat. All right, Alan, here's our boat. I hope you approve. Here's our little pond. Let's see how we did. I'm going to cross over to this side. It's a little bit deeper. Ah. All right, here we go, buddy. Well, let me go over this way. I don't want to get too close into those. Well, I don't have any champagne to break on her. Well, I'm going to have to go over here, otherwise she's not going to float. Sorry. Hey, it's a frog. Actually, it's a toad, I think. Let me switch hands here. Hang on. Yeah, my relatives built a Titanic. Well, it floats. I think it's a little bit too top heavy. Dang it. Well, I did my best, Alan. She's really too top heavy. Didn't take that into consideration, but she's floating. She's not gonna sink. All right, I had fun with this project. Thanks, Alan. Good luck, everybody, on the giveaway. I know y'all's boats are going to be a lot better than mine. Thanks. I'll see you on the next one.